Mass production of heat exchanger bundles is time-consuming and labor-intensive. Misaligned welds, excessive rework, and inconsistent penetration can drive up costs. The TATE orbital welding machine simplifies this process with automated tube-to-tube sheet welds. You get consistent, high-strength joints with minimal distortion, perfect for condensers, evaporators, and industrial exchangers. Its adaptable weld heads and real-time process control deliver exceptional speed and reliability, whether you're using carbon steel, stainless, or exotic alloys. Increase your output while maintaining precision. Let TATE be the core of your exchanger production. Contact us now.